Not a lot of people realise this, but a lot of the time it is the construction of the building which is the reason why you're hearing so much from the neighbours. Most of the time, the neighbours are just living their lives, and it's those alterations to your own property, those hollow voids, those building techniques, which makes it sound like the neighbours are slamming those doors, they're playing that TV really loudly, or they're talking really loudly. Why does she always talk so loudly? Now, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of inconsiderate neighbours out there, but a lot of the time, those inconsiderate neighbours don't realise the noise that they're making. They don't know how it's affecting your health and the relationship with anyone around you. They don't realise the noise that they're making is making your life hell. And you kind of want to bring them round and bring them into your living room and say, look, listen to the noise that you're making. But you very rarely get that opportunity. Now, here's a thought for you. Could it be that the neighbours are playing that radio all day, they're playing that TV constantly, or playing that music constantly because they're trying to drown out your noise? They're hearing every aspect of your daily lives. They're hearing your pets throughout the day. They're hearing your comings and goings throughout the day. That when it comes to maybe the evening, they're playing that TV, that music, because they're trying to drown out your noise. Have you made the noise worse in any way? For example, have you replaced the carpets with laminate or hardwood floors, for example? Have you done a renovation using plasterboard? Have you renovated a room recently? Have you put an extension off the rear of the property? Anything like that that has potentially made the noise worse between you and your neighbours. So just a thought, could it be the neighbours are just living their lives and it is the construction of the building? Or no, Jim, the neighbours are absolute they're inconsiderate and they're just constantly making noise. Let us know in the comments down below.